In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on Allow in all available pop-ups. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings to operate all of those however you want to. When you finished, go back and click on the red button at the bottom to start recording. Then hit allow again. And as you can see, after that, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. Then hit OK in the pop-up. If you want to add a bookmark, click on bookmark over here. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it and click on play button on the left. And to end it and save it, square button on the right. Now name your recording however you want to and hit save. As you can see, after that, my recording was successfully added, created and added to recording list. Now, if you want to play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options. And to delete it, hold it on your list. Make sure that only the chosen one is selected and hit delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!